Good morning everyone. Today in this video I'll teach you about the famous movements, that is chapter 62 of your GK book. So here is the first movement, that is Silent Valley movement. What is that and why is that movement started? This movement was started to prevent the building of big dams in the area that would have destroyed the forest of Silent Valley. Okay. And Kerala Shastra Sahitya Parishad started this project, this movement. So the second movement is Swadeshi movement. Who started this movement? Bal Gangadhar. Bal Gangadhar started this movement in which the reunification of Bengal, which the British had divided in 1905 in two parts. One part for the Muslims and other for the Hindus. Bengal was divided into two parts. Okay, in 1905 in two parts. That was one for Muslim League and one for the Hindu League. So the third movement is Bhudan movement. What is that? This was started by Vinoba Bhave, and the gifting of land to the poor and landless by the rich owners. What was done in this movement? The poor were gifted some land, okay, by the rich landowners. Now we have Narmada Bachao Andolan. Medha Patkar started this movement to protest against the construction of large dams on the river Narmada, which would make thousands of people homeless. So one of the most important movement is Quit India movement, and this was started by Mahatma Gandhi, father of nation, to force the British to leave India. As we know that our country was ruled by Britishers, so Mahatma Gandhi was one of the famous leader who fought for India and they started a movement, Quit India movement. We also call it as Bharat Chodo Andolan. Okay. Now we have Amul Cooperative. This was started by Dr. V. Kurian to benefit villagers working in dairy farms by removing middlemen in the milk trade who enjoy a major part of the profit. Seventh was Chipko movement. This was started by Sundarlal Bahuguna to prevent deforestation in the Himalayan region of the Uttaranchal. Now SEWA, Seva. This was started by Ella Bhatt to provide help to self-employed women workers in their attempt to earn a livelihood by their own labor or small businesses. Do you know that Baba Amte was an Indian social reformer, is known for his work among leprosy peasants? He established Anandvan, a colony of leprosy peasants near Nagpur. Okay, so these are some of the important movements you have to remember. You should keep this all movements in your mind. Okay, and as we know that many famous movements started in green country to achieve a specific goal. Okay, so that's all. You have to learn this, you have to keep these facts in mind, these names which I have taught you and the movements. Okay, that's all. Thank you.